Outside diameter 1 3/4 inch. Not compatible with greater than 10% ethanol fuel. Stens part number 125051. Outside diameter 1 3/4 inch. Stens part number 125051. Verify part fits before purchasing specs. Description: fuel CapEthanol. Not compatible with greater than 10% ethanol fuel material. PlasticOD. 1 3/4 replaces OEM numbers. Tecumseh. 35,355, 36,246, 37,844, 37,845, 740,041B compatible with, replacement for, Tecumseh, Premier Series engines. Top reviews from the United States. Good replacement. Needed to replace my broken original black Toro gas cap. This one fit and works well. I also like the red color for refilling. Fit a treat. Needed to replace the gas cap on my snowblower. This one did the trick. The internal metal cup was missing on the old one. It is held in with a plastic prong that had broken. My snowblower is a 1998 White Snow King 33 auger.